What is going on YouTube? Hayden back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. In today's video, we are going to be looking at XRP, Ethereum, Bitcoin, as well as the S&P 500. Obviously, we have to talk about the one and only XRP moonshot that we just had. I believe it was this morning. Incredible run within the past 24 hours on XRP. I am so very much so grateful that we actually purchased XRP and some of these other cryptocurrencies literally like 2 days ago because we managed to close above our downtrend here. This is huge, guys. This is a huge opportunity that we took advantage of, that we capitalized on, and now we're making our profits. Obviously, we took this trade on Bityard, leveraged it to the upside here, and here we are making tons of profit on this huge run to the upside here. The second we saw the prices actually break us and close above this, we're now up 18% on a trade that literally just happened. This is a huge opportunity. We saw the bottom. I've always been saying that when we see sideways volatility, there's always a big chance of big runs to the upside. Sideways consolidation always leads towards big volume movements, and just like that, by a snap of a finger, here we are breaking out with huge volume, seeing a major moonshot back up to target levels, which is right around our moving average. Clearly, we're hitting a little bit of resistance first, a little bit of turbulence, which is expected because we are seeing this uptrend here, which we do have to talk about. But this is huge. Let me know down in the comments below if you've taken advantage of this and actually bought in when we closed above this resistance. We've been saying this day after day after day after day, literally since I'd say 22nd, the second we saw prices hit bottom support and started to consolidate. I've been saying to you guys over and over again that we need to wait for a consolidation pattern to end, and this will be determined with either a break where we see prices actually break us below our bottom support. Clearly, 59 cents was our bottom support. If we closed below this support level right here, we would buy in and short the market to the downside. Or if we closed above this, as we needed to fill in the gap here, which we are doing, if we closed above our resistance level, which is up here, we would know to buy in and leverage to the upside, long it to the upside here, which is exactly what we did. We bought in, we saw a little bit of consolidation the past 2 days, and here we are with a major moonshot to the upside here. Very excited. Let me know if you guys took advantage of this massive run that we just had. You can see clear as day that we literally hit a bottom and we are finally breaking through the lower high resistance falling wedge pattern, breaking to the upside here. This is exciting. This is huge, and I'm very excited to go over today's video. Now we have to talk about Ethereum, which is also seeing a pretty substantial run. We have Bitcoin, which is seeing a pretty substantial run. XRP finally catching up. S&P 500 not opened up just yet, but we will be talking about that later, as we probably have another hour before the markets open back up, as I'm recording at about 8:30. So we'll see. Hopefully, this would be very interesting for us to see how exactly these markets move. With the S&P 500 not open the past 2 days, and with XRP and all these other major cryptocurrencies overnight seeing literally since like Friday when we closed. Since Friday when we closed, we're now seeing prices swing us up like 15%. All these cryptocurrencies are up 15%. S&P has been closed. So I'd love to see how S&P opens up today. It'd be very interesting. With that being said, guys, today's video is brought to us by ZOOMEX. As you can see here, this is a very new, recently created exchange for cryptocurrencies. As you can see here, they're doing a lot of campaigning to actually start to get some momentum within their project and within their exchange specifically. So we are going to be talking about them more in depth at the end of today's video. They also are doing a few different bonuses, which we're going to talk about at the end of today's video. So definitely stay tuned if you want to check out ZOOMEX here. I have linked them down in the description below if you'd like to check them out. But with that being said, guys, definitely make sure to smash the like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's dive into today's episode. So guys, before we dive into today's video, I am currently in Florida and I'm going to be here for the next couple of days as we are checking out, and by I mean me and my girlfriend, or my girlfriend and I, as you guys remember, and we're checking out our new apartment. That's going to be today. So if you guys want to see it, definitely let me know down in the comments below, and I will record some of it and put it in tomorrow's video for you guys to see. But it's really cool. This is probably the first time we're really I'm really exploring Florida. So it's much different from Long Island, which is crazy to see the vast differences here. So yeah, if you guys want to tag along, also make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to see some of my stories stories, because that's where I'll be posting everything as well, at Crypto Hayden. You can find that down in the description below, so definitely make sure to check that out. But with that being said, guys, let's talk about this massive moonshot that's happening right now within crypto. You can see top 10 cryptocurrencies, we're up to about 1.97 trillion in regards to the current coin market cap here. And you can see pretty much every cryptocurrency is up about 2%, except for XRP, which has exploded. This is because, for the most part, all these other cryptocurrencies have gotten their big rush in volume the past couple of days, and now they're hitting consolidation. XRP, on the other hand, hasn't really had it much at all, and now we're starting to get that volume that's necessary. You can see on the 7-day percentage, most of the cryptocurrencies are up about 20, 25%, and then, if we looked a couple of days ago, you would have seen that XRP wasn't up much at all, and here we are up 31% on the week, which is huge, and we've literally capitalized on probably 20% of this. So we're up 15.47% today, which I just can't, fathom the fact that this was a major, easy opportunity for us to capitalize on. We've been waiting patiently for this big payout, and it's finally happened, so I'm very excited to talk about that. And you can see, diving into the technical analysis here, that this was an easy break. You can see, and I'd like to zoom out to the weekly, maybe this will give us a better opportunity, being that we hit this bottom support. I mean, this was the biggest critical factor for us to capitalize off this run, as this would pretty much determine whether we were going to see XRP break to, $1.30, or we were going to literally get demolished and see a big dump in the price of crypto and XRP, and probably fall all the way down to 22 cents, which we haven't seen in a very long time, probably a couple months, if not over a year. And this would obviously be huge buying opportunities. But you guys can see, if I just jump to my YouTube here, that we literally made a video a couple of days ago talking about, and hopefully you guys watch this too, but we made a video a couple of days ago talking about, here it is, history is repeating. We literally said that XRP is bouncing off bottom support again, and the last time we hit this bottom support, we exploded 138% the last time. So here we are back on XRP, and you can clearly see this was the last time that we hit this bottom support, and you can see once we did that, we exploded up about 137.91%. We exploded to the upside here, retesting this bottom support. And you can see in the past here how it's acted as major resistance, once again acting as major resistance, and here we were acting as major support. So process of elimination says this purple band is a massive indicator of where cryptocurrency is going to move to, where XRP is going to move to. And the fact that we hit it perfectly, and we saw over the past couple of weeks here, sideways consolidation on this support. It was almost destined that we were going to get our answer very soon. Had we have closed a weekly below here, we would have bought in and shorted it to the downside. Big dump to the downside. Had we closed above, breaking through our falling wedge fractal, which you can see is right here, with this lower high fractal here, had we closed above, we would have bought in and leveraged to the upside here. Now we're going to start to see some interesting resistances, which we have to prep ourselves for in the future. Although, because we have our stop loss in, and I'm hoping most people at this point are with us and have already bought in. And for those that haven't or are, you would have done so on Bityard, which I did link in the description down below, and you guys should check out. Bityard is the #1 cryptocurrency exchange that we use here on the channel to capitalize off these major runs. Not only is it beginner friendly, but it's for advanced traders too. So definitely make sure to check them out. What I mean by this is, if you're a beginner, you can test your skills on their demo account, which they have here. They give you $100,000 in free cryptocurrency monopoly money to test your skills on, and when you're ready, then you can switch to a live account and actually leverage. Not only that, they have free cryptocurrency right here, you can see with their mystery box, and they give you daily mining rewards, which is free to use for your bonus too. So it's very, very, very easy to use. Not only that, you can see they have tons of cryptocurrencies, tons of main cryptocurrencies here, and tons of altcoins and cryptos that you can actually leverage trade on. So what we do is we go to XRP, and we've put in a buy-in opportunity, a long position, literally since we saw that breakout coming, which we've described and said day after day after day after day after day until it finally happened, and here it is. So what we did is we went to a market order, we put the amount of leverage that we wanted, we typed in the margin that we wanted, just like this. And then we literally clicked buy long, and we clicked buy long, and we capitalized on that run, and we put a stop loss in just in case. Now, a lot of people are asking me, oh, well, how do you move that stop loss up? What you would have to do is actually sell off, capitalize on your trade here, put another buying opportunity in, and just set the stop loss a little lower. That's kind of how I've worked around the fact that you can't just naturally move the stop loss up when you have a position already opened on XRP or on Bityard specifically, which is not a big deal, because you can just, we shot up, we can just sell off, take trades, enter it again. and just move the stop loss a little lower. I have no problems doing that. Let me know what you think down below. But otherwise, that's Bityard. Definitely make sure to check them out. Link in the description. But you can see here, since breaking out, we bought in literally right here. We bought in on the 4th of February, put a trade in, and here we are. We're currently up 18% with leverage, which is a huge run to the upside here. Now we're going to start to hit resistances. And you can see though that the resistance is going to be in this green uptrend right here, which we're currently going to have some problems with. So we do have a stop loss in. It's a little bit lower, mainly because this is going to probably recede us lower. There's a chance here, but that's why we have stop losses open, because if we do head higher, we'll obviously capitalize on that run too, and that in that profit when we start to head up. But just in case we dip down, which I don't think is going to be for a while, I do believe now that we've broken through the falling wedge fractal, I do think February is going to be extremely bullish for XRP and these cryptocurrencies. We should pretty much see prices swing back up. So I am looking to see us close above here, eventually this resistance, and seeing us move back up to the moving average here. But you can see this is a clear as day falling wedge pattern that needed to be broken. We saw sideways consolidation. It allowed us to fill in the gap here, and we popped. Guess what, guys? We're now above our previous high, which means we're now creating a higher low pattern instead of a lower high pattern, which is extremely important when trading cryptos. You can even see here with Ethereum, we've broken through the lower high dumpage that we've been seeing here, and then we'll wrap up today's video. But this lower high dumpage has been reversed with higher lows. So we should be able to head up higher too. That's why we have trades opened on all these, because we've reversed the pattern. That's how easy it is to trade conservative crypto. You can see here, lower high, massive falling wedge pattern, finally broken, retesting the previous high, which we should be able to break through, and we should be able to see us rally up even higher to 50K on Bitcoin. And lastly, with the S&P 500, that's really what I wanted to talk about. Was I don't really know where we're going to be moving to. If the markets are still acting, if they're still correlated with each other, then we should see a pretty substantial run to the upside here with the S&P 500. But if we go to after hours trading for the S&P, it should pop us up right here. Not that this is going to affect us, but yeah, you can see right now that we did over the course of the weekend actually trade higher, 1.6, 0.11, 0.2. So we should be able to see the S&P open up at a higher scale, and then we'll see if it takes us even higher. Who knows? But that'll be up for debate there. Otherwise, guys, I do want to talk a little bit more about ZOOMEX with you. The first thing I wanted to mention was their bonus that they're actually having, where if you deposit at least $100 and trade any of the derivatives pairs, then you'll actually earn a $50 bonus. Now that bonus is only tradable and you can't actually withdraw, but you can use that to make even more money. Now the bonus campaign will end on the 10th of February, so there's not too many more days, and the bonus will be sent within 1 to 2 weeks after you've done that. But with that being said, guys, I do want to tell you a little bit more about ZOOMEX.
All right, guys, I want to give a huge shout out to ZOOMEX for sponsoring today's episode. As with all cryptocurrency exchanges, please do your own research and never invest anything you can't afford to lose. So guys, ZOOMEX was founded not too long ago, back in 2021, and it appears 2021 was the year for crypto innovation, as thousands of projects were created last year. Now the problem with new exchanges is they really don't have much history or track record, and it really makes them extremely risky until they prove themselves otherwise. And not to say that ZOOMEX isn't a reputable exchange, they just haven't been around long enough to really prove their stability in the market. Now, currently, guys, they are incentivizing users to their platform by offering 30% off trading fees and a giveaway with rewards totaling $1 million to their premium clients. And they're also offering an affiliate program which allows up to 40% in commission on people you refer. Now, guys, overall, ZOOMEX just needs to prove themselves over the next few months, and if you plan on putting crypto onto their platform, then you just need to invest with caution. Now, guys, ZOOMEX aims to lead the future with digital financial platforms around the world and operate a crypto asset trading platform with advanced technology. Keen on the industry trends, they take a step forward leveraging the company's core competencies, and they consist of a team of professionals from major crypto exchanges who are enthusiastic about developing industry-leading online trading platforms. And they also offer inverse trading with tons of altcoins and USDT perpetual trading with leverage as well as spot exchanges. Now, guys, deposits and withdrawals currently can only be made with Bitcoin, USDT, Ethereum, EOS, and XRP, and I assume there are more to come in the future. And currently, ZOOMEX is under the Octochain Fintech Limited, which is an organization committed to developing advanced technology for the crypto-related financial sector. Now, guys, it is a young financial technology company, and their team consists of fintech experts from various major exchanges in finance and the blockchain industry to deliver the optimal IT solution with their advanced technology. Now guys, their common vision is to enhance convenience for crypto online trading services in a faster, safer, and easier way for clients where they can get the best crypto portfolio options, for themselves. And now guys, they believe in the client first principle to improve their platform and product, and they also aim to enhance the convenience for crypto trading online by providing the best crypto portfolio options in a faster, safer, and easier way. And lastly guys, they are offering a $10 trading bonus upon sign up and a $10 trading bonus after you make your first time deposit. And this bonus campaign will last until the 10th of February, so not much time left. And the bonus will be released to qualified users within 1 to 2 weeks, so it does seem to take some time. So guys, for more information about their exchange, definitely make sure to check out the links in the description of today's video. Otherwise, huge shout out to ZOOMEX for sponsoring today's episode. As always, make sure to smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Peace.